LessonUp is an online platform that makes it easy for teachers to create engaging lessons using video, images, interactive questions and quizzes. Teachers can use their lessons right away on the central screen or interactive whiteboard in the classroom. LessonUp doesn't only spice up the teacher's frontal teaching, but it is also suitable for student-centered learning. The teacher can easily share parts of the lesson or the entire lesson with the learners, which helps the students to work and learn at their own pace. When the teacher shares the assignments with the class, the students can work on their tasks independently, in groups or individually. In this science lesson on electricity, the students work on their final task and do a mock test at the end of the unit, to demonstrate what they understand about the topic. LessonUp provides all kinds of reports which help the teacher to monitor the progress of every single student or the group as a whole. It depends on the results of the mock test what kind of feedback the group or the individual student needs. Students that need more practice can work with LessonUp on their teacher's materials independently at home.